Hello everyone and welcome to RV's Online Learning. Today in this video I'm going to talk about speaking task of IELTS and for Duolingo English test as well. I have explained both the types in this video and I have tried to give a detailed information on what to speak and how to speak. I hope that you will find all of this video helpful. So let us begin with the task. I have already prepared with my answers and that is what you'll be able to see in this video. Watch them, try to understand. If you still have queries, drop your queries in the comment box. I will be happy to help you out. Now before jumping on to the actual answer, I would like you to focus on the things which are really important to remember during the task. And that is understand the topic. In previous video also I have told that understanding of the topic is very important, because if you don't understand the topic you may go off track, so it's important to understand. Now here in IELTS we get 1 minute to plan our answer. We get time to prepare the notes, so we have to utilize it and plan our answer. While we are planning, we have to focus on tenses which we will be using. Of course, write down few vocabularies on the corner of the notes, because once you write down the memories, it will become easier for you to utilize them while you're speaking, because throughout your speaking task the notes will be along with you, so you can make the best utilization of the time. So now let us begin with the actual answer. So here we go. Now let us first understand the topic. It is describe the risk you have taken which had a positive result, what it was, why you took it, what the result was, how you felt about it. So what we are going to do is we are going to answer each and every question over here in a sequencing manner as well. Once you get completed with all of them, still if you have a time, you have to keep on speaking on the topic. You cannot quit in between as far as IELTS is concerned. However, with Duolingo, that is fine. If you stop after 30 seconds, that is okay. But yes, you have 1 to 3 minutes to speak, so if you want, you can utilize this as well. So let us now begin with the answer. I believe that risk is a part of life, since we all take risk in our life. It's just that sometimes we realize, while sometimes we don't. Like we don't feel that at the moment we have been taking risk. It just happens. I'm sure many of them have felt so. For example, boarding an already started train is also taking a risk. In this type of situation, we don't even realize that we are taking a risk. Here, I would like to speak about a situation when I took a risk and it turned out positive. I have a pet dog, Prevo, whom I take for a walk every day in the morning. It's a Pomeranian breed. As in routine, I took my dog for a walk. On that day, I just thought to walk via a different route for a change. Both of us were enjoying the natural beauty around. Everything seemed really beautiful around. Suddenly, on the way, Prevo stopped and started being suspicious of something over there. I was surprised to find such a change in its behavior. But then I became curious to see what it was looking for. It suddenly started running and its leash got slipped out of my hand. And then a car in a worse speed was rushing towards us. I thought the driver might be drunk. But at that moment my focus was to save both of us. So I furiously ran after Prevo and jumped off on him to save him, and that was a big risk for both of us. But I had to save us from that rash driver. Finally, I saved both of us. After that situation, I was shivering badly, but was glad that I took a risk to save us. I really thank God for that day, for giving us, or giving me, strength to protect us. So that was an unforgettable situation that happened and certainly proved positive. Then onwards, I never changed my route, because for me that moment was very scary. It was a big risk, but at that moment the life and the safety of my dear Prevo was the most important thing for me. Though we both got badly hurt, we stood strong. I felt relieved after saving us. In the meantime, I called my father, who came and took us home safely. So, this was the risk I took, which had a positive result. So that was the end of IELTS cue card. Now I'm going to begin with Duolingo English test speaking, which is speak for 30 seconds. Like in previous slide, I showed you that we have some time, or we do take some time to plan our answer. But here in Duolingo English test, we don't get much of the time, or we do not get time to make notes, or we don't have any kind of material to make notes. So therefore, whatever we have to do is on spontaneous basis, reading the question, we have to spontaneously answer. So I'm going to speak on the same content, but yes, I would be speaking lesser in time as compared to that of IELTS speaking cue card. So let us begin with the topic. Well, risk is a thing which everyone takes in a routine basis in their life. However, we do not recognize that we are actually taking risk at that moment. But yes, here I would like to speak about a risk that turned out really positive, and it was actually an incident that happened to me. It was one morning when I was taking my lovely dog Bravo for a walk, which is my routine activity. But that day I just thought to change a route. Instead of going on routine route, I changed it. So that was really beautiful. The natural beauty was overwhelming. We were enjoying. Suddenly my dog was behaving in a very different manner. It was kind of suspicious. I was becoming very curious to see what he was looking for. But then suddenly a car was rushing towards us, and it was like I thought that the driver might be drunk or something, and it was without having control over its driving, it was coming towards us. The first thing that came into my mind was to save myself and my lovely dog. So I just jumped off on Bravo and tried to save him. But what happened, actually I tried to save both of us, but we were badly injured. My hand was bleeding and the limb of Bravo was completely injured. It was bleeding. It got off with 2 of its nails, so that was really painful, and both of us fell off on the ground, and it was really bad. But yes, the positive thing was that I, without thinking anything, I took a risk and finally positively saved us. So that was the thing in my life, that I took risk and it turned out positive. However, at the end, yes, of course, my father came and he took us home safely. But I can't forget this incident ever in my life. However, risk turns out positive. That is what I learned from this incident. I hope that the task was useful to everyone. It was helpful to everyone, and I hope you guys learned from it. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please do like, share and comment. You can also drop your answers for the same question in the comment box. I will definitely get back to you. In the meanwhile, keep watching my channel and learn more. Thank you.